Hello y'all, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Carla Calderon and welcome to my channel. If you're watching this video, maybe it's because you're just like me and you have problems letting your nails grow. Maybe because you I know sometimes we get nervous, anxiety or stress makes us do that. I do the same. All this started because I decided to make a video for my students teaching them how to make a cootie catcher. Those things that you open and close. I'm putting a video here or here, maybe it's here. When I played the video after I edited, I realized how horrible my nails were. It made me wonder what my students' parents will think about me. As a woman, we tend to evaluate ourselves. So I thought I'll just get fake nails, which we all know those are immediate results. But then you have to go after 2 weeks for a refill and I just didn't want to. So then I remembered that SeneGence had sent me the NailExtend and I decided to put it to a test. So here goes. This is how the bottle looks. Let me read the directions to you. It says, apply to base of nails by brushing directly into cuticles twice daily until desired results are achieved. To maintain nail strength, apply 3 to 4 times weekly. Alright y'all, I'm sorry, excuse this horrible nails. Can y'all believe that this is how I had my nails back in April 21? I know they look horrible. I can't believe I had them like that for so long. And finally, I decided to do something about it. When you open the bottle, you're going to notice that the bristles of the brush are kind of stiff. So just move it around like this so that way they kind of spread out. The application is super easy. As you can see, all I'm doing is just applying it at the base of my nails, which is pretty much my cuticles, and you guys will notice that when you put on the liquid, it gets absorbed so easily and you will feel like you didn't even put anything at all. That's how I felt. I thought that was pretty weird. I felt like I wasn't even wearing anything. But hey, look now. This is 2 days later. This is in April 23rd. And I don't know if you guys can notice, but I have like a little growth in my nails. Amazing, huh? It doesn't seem like a lot, but you just wait. Look at this. This is a month later, May 21st. Isn't that amazing, y'all? I'm loving my nails. Now, I thought that they were going to stay like this and that they were not going to grow anymore, but check this out. I decided to wait another month and this is in June 21st. Look how pretty my nails look. What y'all think? And here you go, just one more time from April to June. Look how different and pretty my nails look, y'all. Amazing. I don't know about you guys, but whenever you get fake nails, it's like a dramatic change because you can do things that you used to with your normal nails, like activities like opening a can of soda or even trying to zip up your pants. I mean, it's hard. Also, when you remove your fake nails, they don't stay the same way as they used to because now they're kind of thin and they break easily. So that's not really good to do. Before I end this video, I would like to know your opinion on natural nails and fake nails. What do you think? You have problems letting your nails grow? What have you done and did it work? Don't forget to leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the little bell so that way you get notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you for your time. Hope this video was helpful. Till next time, bye.